It is a Curex 2026 and this is the SVI stand. You can look forward to see the Max 3 anti-riot vehicle, and then next to it in the flesh the Max Recon 6x4 or 6x6. Then you'll be able to see the brand new Hilux Stopcon version 3, which is an update of our very popular kit for the mining sector. And do I need to say anything about this? This is the Fidelity Ox Armor CIT vehicle developed by SVI Engineering. And then on this side, behind the VIP section, you will find something very much VIP. This is our luxury jet on wheels. It's a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. We'll get into the details of this vehicle, fully armored to B6 level. And if you're a president or in the market for the ultimate luxury vehicle, then this is it. So welcome to the SVI stand. We hope to see you here at Gallagher Estate Midrand for the next 3 days.